Hey yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to another Pirate Chain tutorial. Today's episode, I'm going to show you how to download, install, and use the full node wallet, aka the treasure chest wallet. As always, we're going to start off by going to pirate.black first. We're then going to click on the wallets tab, and we're going to scroll down just a little bit till we get to the full node wallet or the treasure chest. Now just a quick caveat, this is of course a tutorial for Windows only users. So we're going to go ahead and click on the Windows option. Make sure that you have Windows 7 or above and at least 4 gigabytes of RAM. Once the download is done, we're going to go ahead and click on the up arrow, and then we're going to click on show in folder. We are then going to right click on the newly downloaded zip folder, and then go ahead and click extract all. You don't need to change the folder options. It's okay if you extract all the files into the same folder. Once the files have been extracted though, if you want, you can take the new file and just drag it over onto your desktop. It's a lot easier to find that way. The name of the new folder will be pirate-qt-windows. And we're gonna go ahead, double click it, open the folder, and then we're going to go ahead and double click the pirate logo. For some of you that have Windows Defender on, you might get this blue screen. Just click on more info and then run anyways. This will start the full node wallet download. All the files will be downloaded in the correct drive. So if you want to find where the files are, you're just going to click on the computer icon, which is my PC. We're going to click on the C drive, double click it. We're going to click on users. We're going to go to the PC name, whatever the name of the PC is. Double click that. We're going to go to app data. We're going to go to roaming. And then if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see Komodo. And this is where all your pirate wallet files will be kept. Once the network parameters are done downloading, guys, you'll then get a prompt to download the blockchain bootstraps. Go ahead and click OK. And this might take a little bit of time, so be patient. It's all based off of how fast or how slow your internet speeds are, because you'll be downloading about a 9 gigabyte file. When the bootstrap download is completed, it'll start to extract all the files, and they'll be put in the location where I just showed you guys. Once that's done, you'll be connected to the peers, and you'll start syncing up the headers. Now mind you guys, again, even though you are syncing at 99%, this might take a little bit of time, so just be patient. I personally didn't have any issues. My wallet started up right after this process. Took a little bit, but it did start up. But for some of you who might have some issues at the syncing state, or say you just don't see any kind of movement or the headers aren't syncing, I'm going to show you guys a quick fix for that issue right now. So just go ahead and click hide on this menu, then go up to where it says settings right next to file, click on options. Down there at the bottom, it should say open configuration file. Go ahead and click that. You want to click on more apps, and then we're going to click on notepad. Once the notepad is open, we're going to go ahead and take the cursor all the way to the bottom underneath RPC bind, and then we're going to copy and paste this file right underneath it. I will have this particular string of text for you guys in the description. All you have to do is copy it from there, put it into your notepad, then go ahead and click on save. Just click file, save as, and then close it. Now we're back in the wallet. We're going to go ahead and click OK. And then we're just going to close out the wallet. And then once you restart the wallet, you shouldn't have any issues with the syncing. Now that we're finally in the wallet, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is how to save your private key. This is the full node wallet. There are no seed phrases. So for every address that you have on the wallet, there's going to be a private key. And I'm going to show you real quick how to find the key and how to save it. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and click on the top there where it says receive. This will show you your Pirate Chain address where you can receive Pirate Chain in this wallet. So we're going to go ahead and right click the address, and we're going to go down to where it says export extended spending key. We're going to click that. Now this is going to show you your private key for this particular address. In the full node wallet, there are no seed phrases. Your private key is your seed phrase. So you want to copy this, get it onto a text document. So just right click anywhere on the desktop, open a new text document. Let's go ahead and call it pirate key. And we're going to go ahead, open that text document, right click anywhere on there, and then paste your privacy key in there. Make sure you save the file before you exit the text document. And as I said before, in the Light Wallet guide, you want to make sure that you take that text document and put it somewhere safe. put it onto a flash drive, go ahead and encrypt the flash drive. And also, if you're going to print out the private key, make sure you laminate it and keep it inside of a safe so that only you have access to it. Now let's go through the full node wallet from left to right. It is very easy to navigate. The first one is the overview button. This will show you all of your ARRR on the left side and all of your transactions on the right side. The next tab over is the zsend tab, and this is what you would use to send money from this wallet into another wallet. You would put the address of the person that you were sending to in the pay to section, the amount that you'd want to send, and the memo. The memo can only be read by you and the person that you're sending to. Now, if you wanted to add another recipient and do a transaction together, you could just add another recipient, put in their address, put in the amount that you're sending to that person and a memo if you'd like to, and then you can send to both of these addresses at the same time. So it's basically one transaction, but you're sending two different amounts to two different wallets. Now the next tab over from zsend is receive. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And of course, just for the purpose of the video, we're going to assume that you're brand new to Pirate Chain. You just bought Pirate Chain on an exchange and you're trying to put it all into your treasure chest or your full node wallet. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so this is where you would have to be in the receive section. And this is the address where you're going to be receiving all your ARRR to. So let's go ahead and log into Trade Ogre first. So we're going to do that. Once you're logged in, click on the top right where it says balances. Then we're going to find the pirate that we are trying to transfer from the exchange to your wallet. We're going to go to withdraw. And then we're going to put the amount that we're going to withdraw, well, all of it. And then right here where it says select the address to withdraw to, we're going to open our full node wallet. We're going to right click, copy the address, and we're going to paste it in here. Always make sure that the first three and the last three match up with the address that you are sending to. And then we're going to go ahead and click withdraw. Enter your authenticator code. Once you've put in your Google Authenticator, go ahead and click submit. And then your ARRR should be on its way. As you can see right here, it says pending. So just to give you guys a quick update, it's only been a few minutes since I completed the transaction, and I've already received a notification on my desktop that the money or the ARRR has arrived into my treasure chest. And if I go ahead and click the overview, you can see right here that the money has been deposited into my full node wallet. One thing I do want to point out, if you've already downloaded the Lite wallet and are holding funds of ARRR on the Lite wallet, you can go ahead and transfer that into your treasure chest of full node using this very same method. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And also, before I forget, thank you guys so much to all the people who left a comment in the Lite wallet tutorial guide. Thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. I'm still very new to crypto, so I'm still learning. I have a lot to learn, and any kind of constructive criticism is fine with me. If you guys have some tips, if I missed something, put that down in the comments. Don't forget, we do have a lot more content coming up on this YouTube channel. We have a weekly podcast, and we're also live on Twitch at twitch.tv/PirateChain. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.